Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 22nd. This is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we're on the daily time frame. So, on the US dollar Swiss, I'm still looking at this as possibly three waves of W, three waves of X, and I think we're in three waves of Y. I think the first push up is the A. I think this is like an expanding wave B. I think there's a good chance we're heading up for a wave C, which will likely take out the high of wave W. Could possibly even make a run for the high of wave four over here too if it really gets ambitious. But either way, for now, I am definitely very, very bullish on this pair, looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I've been talking about this structure right here for the last couple days because I think that this is the breaker structure that should confirm that this is the bottom of a wave B on the daily time frame and that we're really into an uptrend for a wave C. If you've been following along with my analysis the last couple of days, I've been recommending longs, and there definitely has been plenty of long opportunities. And that if it breaks structure to the downside on the 1 hour, that still to me wouldn't turn me bearish because even that probably would just end up being a crutch into the uptrend. I personally am definitely still looking for longs. I would like to see it go up and break structure, and then I would like to see a more significant pullback. Then I would like to go long in a big way for possibly more of a swing trade. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.